Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to get to know that particular mobile model is sales is increasing or decreasing. For that, first we have to find out the average sales of February, March and April. January is a base. So based on that, we have to construct formula. Okay. First we need to know the average of 3 months. Then we have to reduce this 15 so that we can come to know whether the volume growth is high or not. Let's construct formula. Average index. First one is February. Face it, comma, match, specific model number. Then from there just start it. Face it, comma, exact match 0, bracket close, again, comma, we need to know March index, freeze it, comma, match, freeze it, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, comma, now April, zero for exact match, bracket close, then reduce the base value, bracket close, divided by quantity, we want to know which is the best one. So max this is for maximum, which is the highest growth. This is the one of the best 1 plus node. The same way we can trace out minimum also, least one. For that also we can be able to trace the model number Realme X7. Like that we can be able to find the growth or decline based on average of months, and we can compare with previous months. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.